I'm Emily with the Tulsa Regional STEM Alliance, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a face mask with just 2 rubber bands and a bandana. So first what you're going to do is you're going to fold the bandana in half like this, and then you're going to take the top and fold it into the middle and take the bottom and fold it into the middle. So next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your rubber bands and wrap them through the bandana on each end. And you want to make sure they're situated about 6 inches apart. So next thing you're going to do is you're going to take the ends here and you're going to tuck them in between the folds that you made with the top and the bottom. And it's not going to look very pretty, but it doesn't have to because this is going to be the inside of the mask. And so then all you have to do is pull the rubber bands and you pick it up and tuck it around your ears. You want to make sure it fits snugly over your nose and under your chin here because you want it to cover your nose and mouth entirely. And that's it.